Assalamualaikum. This video is about cache simulator. I'm going to run this simulation for the different type of configurations that includes direct map, fully associative, and two-way set associative. And the requirement for these configuration need to 10 different memory addresses and these 10 different memory sequences or addresses for three different requirements. The first one is the output show no hits. The second, it shows more than 80% hits, and the last one is the 50% hits. The cache size is uh, the roll number, last two digit of roll number plus addition of 10 into 12, that becomes 1092. And according to the reference material, the first one I need to install the simulator that's run all these commands. And for that simulation, it I'll copy this command and I'll paste it over here on the command prompt, pasting it. Pip install cache simulator, and before installing cache simulator, the Python latest version must be installed. It shows requirement already satisfied. That means it is already installed. Now coming towards the commands for each of three sets. Coming towards the first one is the output show no hits. The first one is the direct map. I'm going to copy this command cache simulator with the cache size 1092, and number of blocks per set is 1, and number of words per block is 1, and the 10 different memory addresses. And I'm going to paste it on the command prompt, and let's see what's it shows no hits. That means there are all misses for these addresses, and I'm going to do it again, but I'm checking it for the number of words. I'm going to change it to 2, and this is for the fully associated, and it also shows this no hit right over here in using these addresses. And again, if I use this for um, this command, I'm going to use it for two-way set associative, then it shows me no hits always. Then coming towards the next one, that was the output shows more than 80% hits. I'm going to copy this command, cache simulator. The cache size will remain the same, and I'm going to paste over here, and it shows 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 approx 8 hits. The next one for the fully associative, I'm just changing the number of words per block. It also shows 80% hits, and that's for the um, two-way set associative. Now the next one is the last one, that is the output show more than 50% hits. I'm going to copy this command, that is cache simulator. Cache size will remain the same, and it's for the direct map. And these show 50% hits. Next is fully associative. I'm going to copy this command for the fully associative, copy, and then just pasting it, and it shows 50% hits. And the last for two-way set associative, just copying the command, and it shows 50% hit. All of these commands showing a table that contains the word addresses, 10 different memory addresses with their binary addresses, tag, index, offset, and the hit or miss rate of all of these addresses. And that's all for this video. Thank you for the thank you for listening.